Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the system in this BMW 4 Series. This car has got Harman Kardon speakers and they're absolutely fantastic, so it is a joy to listen to. So if we go to music, you see at the bottom there, it says BMW 60897. If I just click on that, the silver triangle with the silver circles, it shows there's a tick next to BMW. We'll go back to the music, I'll click play, but I've got it turned down over here. Now I'll go to the system, here's media, click on media, and you see it's on auxiliary, so I need to turn that to my phone, select my phone, and you'll see there, that's, when I turn this up, that's what's going to be playing. So I'm going to turn this up here. Here we go. That's it, that's how you play music.